Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the sound quality in the Poco X3 device. So let's see friends in the settings whether you will be having the Dolby Atmos or any other sound enhancement features in the Poco X3 smartphone. So this was another question which was asked by a few of the subscribers, that whether the phone actually supports the Dolby Atmos sound, or is there any other inbuilt sound equalizer present in the Poco X3 device. So right now I'll be connecting the 3.5mm earphones one time, and I'll be trying with the Bluetooth earphones as well. So in both tests, let's see what are the different settings you do get when you are using this kind of two different modes of listening the music in the Poco X3 device. And in case if you want to know more details about the Poco X3 smartphone, make sure to check the links in description for the playlist of the Poco X3 smartphone. There you can find plenty of useful videos. Even for the live wallpaper what I'm using, try to check the links in description. So let's get started. First thing is that you need to go to the sound and vibration, and once you're in the sound and vibration, go to this sound effects last option, as you can see friends. So once you are in the sound effects, so let me try to connect the earphones. As soon as you connect the earphones, you'll getting these options will be enabled, as you can see here. So first is that sound effects preset. You can select the type of sound you want, and there is no Dolby Atmos present in the Poco X3 smartphone, unfortunately. So if there is any Dolby Atmos present, you will be getting some of options related to the Dolby Atmos. So like this, as you can see here, so which is present in the Realme X2 Pro device, Dolby Atmos, but there is no option here. So here you do get this kind of sound effects where you can select different modes. So next is that adjusting the sound to the earphones, as you can see. So here you do have different kind of earphones here, and the sound effects you can try different based on your preference. You can select different type of earphones, and in the equalizer you do get various modes as well, as you can see. So all these are that by default you do get in this kind of Poco X3 device. So this is a volume adjustment. If you want, you can enable that, and even you can change the button layout as well. As you can see, when you can assign the buttons, that's a good thing. So now what I'll try to disconnect the earphones plug, and now let me connect the Bluetooth earphones. So let's see whether if you connect the Bluetooth earphones, all these options will be enabled or not. So that's another thing you need to note down. So let me turn on the Bluetooth in the Poco X3 device. As you can see friends, as soon as the Bluetooth earphones got connected, all the options are turned on. So now you can even choose all this kind of equalizer and different settings for the Bluetooth earphones as well, as you can see. So in this video we got to know that the phone doesn't support any Dolby Atmos, and you have the different kind of equalizer. And if you ask me how is the sound experience, I would say it's kind of okay and good. So but not so good as premium smartphones like Redmi K20 Pro device, which has very good sound output in this device, in the Redmi K20 Pro. So this also has average output from the 3.5mm jack without any issues. So thank you for watching this video friends. For more videos of the Poco X3, make sure to follow regularly in my channel, because every day I'll be trying to do the one tips and tricks and hidden feature video in the Poco X3 device every day. So stay tuned for more videos, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.